In a large bowl, combine flour, yeast, sugar, and salt. Stir everything well together until it's combined. And then add your depitted chopped black olives and stir until the olives are well coated. Drizzle over some olive oil and stir everything again. Then slowly add in your warm water, stirring with each addition. By gradually adding our warm water, it ensures that we don't add too much too soon. Keep stirring the dough until it no longer sticks to the sides of the bowl, but still a little moist and supple. I'll show you what I mean. So you see how it barely sticks to my fingertips. That's exactly what we want. Cover it and let it rise for 2 hours in a warm place, and then sprinkle it with a bit more flour and using a spatula, work the dough into a ball. Use your hands to shape it a bit more and set it aside while we prepare a pan. So I'm using a frying pan lined with some parchment paper. I'm going to drizzle some olive oil and brush it evenly. Then I'm going to take my dough ball and place it right in the center. Again, I'm going to sprinkle it with some flour and cover it and let it rest for about 60 minutes. Then, using some kitchen shears or a sharp knife, I'm going to cut a slit in the top of the dough and place it into my preheated oven to bake for about 20 to 30 minutes or until it's nice and golden brown. And there we have it, fresh out of the oven, our beautiful Zeytinli Ekmek, our olive bread. Although there are few things in life better than warm bread, do try to wait about 15 to 20 minutes and give the bread just a chance to cool. And now it's time to slice our well-deserved olive bread. And I like my bread best with just a little bit of butter. And there we have it, a taste, oh so good. Afiyet olsun.